United People's Initiative. Kami po ay nagpunta dito sa kataas-taasang hukuman ng Pilipinas upang makiusap sa Honorable Chief Justice and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court of the Philippines. Ang aming pong pasimuno, pasumango, respectful appeal for resolution of pending national cases. To the Honorable Justices of the Supreme Court, we respectfully write as concerned Filipino citizens who sincerely care about the welfare of our republic and the stability of our democratic institutions. At present, there are several pending cases before the Supreme Court that carry deep and far-reaching implications for our country. Matters involving national budget, the electoral system, constitutional processes, and other significant national concerns. Among these are, ito po yung mga pending na cases na pinapakiusap namin. Sana po ay masolusyonan, marisolba sa lalong madaling panahon. Rodrigo Roa Duterte Ronald de la Rosa versus Honorable Lucas Bersamin. Case number GR number 278747. Isidro Tom Ungak versus House of Representatives. Ito po yung tungkol sa 2025 General Appropriations Act. Case number 277975. Veronica Duterte versus Nicolas Torre III for kidnapping former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Case number GR number 278768. Attorney Israelito Torion versus Comelec and MRU. GR number 279246. Sara Duterte versus House of Representatives. Yung alleged siyang impeachment po, case number GR 278353 at yung pong kaso na final ni General Eliseo Rio versus the Comelec and Smartmatic, GR number 263838. We fully recognize the weight of your responsibility and the need to carefully deliberate on each matter in accordance with the Constitution and existing laws. Nevertheless, we respectfully appeal for a prompt, clear and just resolution of these cases. The trust of the people in our institutions rests upon transparency, accountability, and timely issuance of decisions. This is not an attempt to dictate to the court, but rather a sincere appeal from citizens who place their hope in independence, integrity, and stability of the judiciary. It is the prayer and aspiration of many Filipinos that justice prevail and that the Constitution remain the firm foundation of our nation. Thank you for your continued services to the Filipino people. Respectfully, Attorney Melchor Magdamo, UPI Legal Counsel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ipapile po namin ito ngayon. Kung meron po kayong tanong, babalik po kami dito. Pagka-file, we will be ready to answer questions. Maraming salamat po.
Photos muna.
So, yun na mga kababayan, andito na sila ang mga grupo ng sundalo at mga abogado, mga kababayan, para mag-file na dito sa Supreme Court.
Babalik, file muna tayo. Darating. Okay. File muna tayo, pagbalik. Okay. Darating yung Second batch, may darating galing Liwasan. Hintayin nyo, sa Liwasan, darating na. Second batch.